Let's learn how to enhance your blurry, pixelated, or old photos. Simply head to Try It On AI, click on Edit Your Own in your studio, and upload the images. You can drag and drop them, or you can upload them on your mobile phone. You can upload 50 at the same time. Once they're in your gallery, just click on AI Tools and then Enhance. You can enhance more than one at the same time. So I'm going to do that. And these are just some of the ideas. You can enhance old family photos, maybe some old magazine shots. So this is actually from Getty that I once got, but it's way too blurry for me to use. Maybe event photos that are a little bit blurry. And this was one of my interviews that was also super blurry. And you can click on before and after to see whether or not you want to keep the generation. Before and after, this one is quite good, so I'm going to say yes. A reminder that if you don't like the enhanced version, you don't get your credits back. So it's up to you whether or not you keep it. This one is done super well, so I'm focusing obviously just here on my face. Yeah, really nice. Cool, thank you very much. All right, so for old family photos, just remember that the face will come out quite well, as you can see in this example, but the clothes, that's not the focus for now, so we'll continue improving this tool, but do expect that not all parts of old photos will be super awesome. But you can see that her face is done very well. Cool, and then last one, this is from an interview that I did a while ago, but it was super pixelated when they gave it to me. I mean, this is incredible. It's even got my scar. Wow. Cool. And that is it. Thank you very much.